The potatoes are now done. They've been boiling for about approximately 45 minutes. They're in there, and they've come apart a little bit. That's okay. I'm going to go ahead and take the potatoes and put it in the strainer to strain out all the water. We don't want any extra water when it comes to the potatoes. Again, I've made a very small amount just to show you the consistency of the potatoes and how it's supposed to look like when they're done. So we strain out the water. Make sure that it's all gone in there. And I'm going to put it in my mixer bowl to place it in my mixer. Make sure that it's drained out real well. Shouldn't take too long. Move it around a little bit. Okay. Now, once it's like that in the bowl, you're going to take a fork and just press down on it a little bit, so that way by the time you get it in there, it's ready to go ahead and process, okay? So just press it down like that. And don't worry about it. It's going to mix up real well.